Greetings and welcome back, everyone. We have a bunch of videos where Karen tried to overreact in front of the judge, so let's start with that. I'm aware that it is simple to be angry with the judge, but there's a good explanation for it. It's because everyone would engage in this conduct if he let it. Also, they frequently make unpopular decisions.
No bond.
No hay fianza.
Your Honor, fine headache.
¡No! ¡Me tengo que ir a la cárcel, Hefty! ¡Pero mi marido me pegó! ¡Si eres el que me rompió la pierna! ¡Por favor! My husband broke my leg! Please, no, don't do that! I have my leg broke! No, please! Don't do that! Don't do that! No! Please, no!
It's always a wonderful thing when they appear before a judge in court with their genuine faces on. Fortunately, she took her swing slowly, giving him time to raise his guard.
Stop it. Stop it.
She was extremely patient, because he has threatened the judge and the court and the public. The court has the authority to revoke his right to bail.
What you think that? None of that. I don't do.
So you're saying you're gonna find out where I'm out?
None of that. You got something, I'll be out.
Okay.
Yeah,
You've been charged with
okay.
assault in the 4th degree,
don't
minor
care about
injury,
none of
terroristic threatening in the 3rd degree, with physical contact. New charges. I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Would you like me to
I'm not
read the
guilty.
arrest warrant to you?
No, I'm not guilty.
I am setting a bond of $15,000 full cash on that on those charges, and the other case, once this actually gets served on you, is going to be dismissed without prejudice as duplicate.
When you are paid to protect the wrong person, this is what happens. These judges believe they're above reproach. They suffer a power strike. That unfortunate man, all the crazy people he gets to deal with every day.
It was a violent, split-second decision.
I flipped out. I couldn't take it no more.
Wow, she looks really hurt. I started crying for her, and I'm so impressed of how well she kept her cool.
Tell you how it met her.
Stay right back.
You gonna deny that you slept with me because of her?
I'm not even with her, so why would I need it? Why do I need to deny it?
Because you denying it to the judge. I can't do this. I want to beat her up. I'm sorry, Judge.
If you need to leave, leave. I don't want no assaults. If you need to go, go.
I admire the judge. Professional and graceful. She should be considered for federal justice.
Okay, well, I'm a little busy right now.
Take another look.
I said, go yourself.
Ma'am, I'm just trying to help.
Ma'am, he's trying to help you. And please don't use profanity or try and disrupt my courtroom, because I don't want to be forced to hold you in contempt of court. Who is this Cynthia Cuba? Tell me.
I
Who the
you
you
allegedly
to?
tried to hit with the pliers. The other case, F5426,
Right from
the bond gun is $5,000. The lead count 2 and 3.
I could not withstand the sound of that woman's voice inside my home for more than a day.
Ma'am, and it didn't go through, okay? He's lying again.
Just a second. Did you file an order of protection against him?
After the fact, he threatened when I caught my daughter in the bedroom behind the door when I put laundry in the washer that was downstairs where his room is, when he threatened to hang me and burn me alive in the basement.
Miss Emmerich, listen to me. Whose house is this?
It's both of ours.
Well, unfortunately, you are correct. That would be your fault.
Yes, ma'am. I understand this.
And get out of my courtroom.
Fine.
Now.
I appreciate the way she directed herself to the ground to avoid injury. Fainting doesn't operate in this way. Fraud.
Just pain you could have avoided. Because you know what, Miss McNair, you weren't surprised. You let him sign the birth certificate. You've let him for 22 months be in this baby's life, love her, take care of her. Don't roll your eyes up at me, honey. You could have avoided this. You knew the whole time. Oh, Lord. Jerome, get her.
I'm hot.
Okay.
I'm real hot.
Okay, let me get you some water.
Call the medic.
Call the medic, please.
You good, man?
Take a few deep breaths, okay?
She described a counterclaim in all seriousness. Why, oh why, is she even there?
All the pictures.
Just a second. Hand down. I don't have a counterclaim, sir. I don't care what you have there. There is no counterclaim here for damage.
Well, what is a counterclaim?
We just wanted her out. We didn't want nothing to do with her.
We don't ever see her again.
We just wanted her out,
please.
Oh my God.
Sure.
Can I just ask for 5 minutes?
Put her out.
2 minutes.
Put her out.
I want to say.
Put her out.
Explain her
Put her
story
out.
for 2 minutes because I feel like you're
Out.
manipulating.
Out.
You're manipulating
Out.
the situation
Miss.
with your questions.
Miss,
Out.
Come this way.
This is ridiculous.
A lot of individuals need to understand that interrupting a judge repeatedly is useless. The judge becomes even more irate as a result.
He did get mad. He did get frustrated. He did do the wrong thing. Yes,
I don't know what I did.
Miss Pinson, you are to speak no further. And you made all up these little reasons why you couldn't be with anymore because you chose a different lifestyle, which is up to you.
That's not
but
true,
you
though.
hurt him in the process.
That's
and,
not true. And he
hush,
hurt
don't,
me over the years.
Don't,
But he hurt
get
me
out.
over the
Get her
years.
out. Get her out. You can go too. Mr. Pinson,
Right back there.
feel the weight lifting off your shoulders.
I adore it when those who believe they can act any way they please without repercussions are made to face the consequences.
Consecutive to each other. So the sentence in DC 17267 is 50 years MSP. No, I'm good. Is 50 years with MSP, with 15 to be hereby suspended.
James, sit up. James.
When Mr. Williams discovered he could still speak via the recording, I believe he was mildly excited.
I just met this attorney the other day.
That's fine. So,
And
so here, yeah. So okay,
I came and took my cell phones yesterday, and they came and took all my property out my cell today.
Mr. Williams, I'm the judge in the matter. Shut your mouth, and I'll tell you when you could talk. You got it?
When you often interact with criminals, you grow accustomed to their disrespectful behavior.
So it's very
I
limited.
just want to
in
know
its
what
scope.
y'all have been talking about because we're here to have a hearing.
I've just been talking about the fact that you don't want to know what I've been talking about.
I just want to make sure that I find out what we've been talking about. That's it.
Consider the length of her sentence. She will likely serve 8 consecutive life sentences.
Trying to find a case of Nicoletti versus Stevens, case number 0672178.
On what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion, taking up this court's time for no good reason other than your own personal vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me or my court. However, I beg your pardon?
I knew it was fixed.
Miss Stevens, I highly suggest that you just exit my courtroom and go pay the sanctions before I find you in contempt.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's podcast, and we'll see you later.